A probate can take all kinds of different amounts of time depending on the facts of your case. There's two kinds of probates that most people are going to fall into. There's summary administrations and there's formal administrations. Summary administrations are where there's less than $75,000 or where the person's been dead longer than 2 years. And those are quicker typically. They're supposed to be at least. They last at the very minimum a month, and typically they can go somewhere in the 6-month range as well. If it's going to go a month, there's certain things that have to go right. Really depends on the county. There's local rules. There's judges. Depending on each judge, they may have their own little nuances, the way they like to handle things. And something that can speed things up is actually, if there is no will, then we simply don't have to authenticate it, or if there is what's called a self-proving will, which is a will that can be admitted upon being filed because it has the proper signing requirements with it. On a formal administration, those can last longer. It's impossible for a formal to go less than 4 months typically, and the reason why is first you have to admit the will, and if there isn't one, then you have to go through the intestacy process. Then you got to wait for the estate to get open and get a personal representative appointed. At that point, you have to publish a notice to creditors, and that takes 3 months in order to wait that time period, okay? There's no way to shorten that. It's just defined by law, and if there are any creditors' claims that come in, you have to deal with those, so that takes time. So again, less than 4 months, just about impossible. 6 to 12 month range is kind of your best bet for if things all go smoothly. However, if there's real estate that needs to be sold, you can't just sell it for nothing. What you need to make sure is that you're getting good value, and if that takes a year, well, that's going to take an extra year. And if there's taxes or if there's any litigation with anybody, that's going to make your probate last quite a bit longer, and it can go up into the years.